We're going to do a little tarpon fishing this morning. They've been rolling pretty good around this area, so we're going to see what we can find. We should be able to come at least jump a couple. What I'm using today is a little minnow type bait. I'm matching the hatch of what's in here. There's a ton of small glass minnows where we're at, and so we're going to see what we can do. I've already seen a couple roll this morning, so well, Marty just had a pretty decent tarpon on, and it just pulled off as usual. We've probably I've hooked 6 or 7, or had them on. Marty's jumped 5 or 6. It's been a pretty good morning so far.